Hello there, thank you so much for clicking on my video and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make onion oil. You can do your own research and get to know the benefits of the onion oil, on how it helps boost your hair growth. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can do that. To begin with, obviously you're going to need onions. I'm using a red and white onion. You cut them into small pieces, and after you cut them into small pieces you're going to transfer them into a blending jar. And after that we're going to add about 10 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm using olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. It's not a must to use olive oil. Then you're going to transfer to the blender and then blend until you get a smooth paste. Now once everything is blended, you're going to transfer the contents in a clean pan or a cooking pot, whichever you prefer. Then you're going to add additional 5 tablespoons of oil. I'm using olive oil still. After that you're going to heat this on medium heat. Make sure you stir regularly to make sure it does not stick at the bottom. You will heat this for about 25 minutes or until it starts browning. Once it starts thickening, now you know it's ready. So you're going to turn off the heat and then keep it aside and let it cool, completely cool. I'm going to use a cup and coffee filters to filter this. You can use anything you want to use to filter, either a clean cloth, but I prefer using the coffee filters because they don't pass any residue. Yes, they take long to filter, but the good thing is that they don't pass any residue. After this, I'm gonna keep this aside and let it filter maybe for about a day or so. It's about 8 hours now and this is what I got so far. So because I need to use this one, I'm going to transfer this one to another cup and let it continue filtering. So I'm going to get a clean cup and put it back to continue filtering. This is what I got. I'm going to apply this on my scalp. For better results, you need to apply this at least twice a week.